Hey everybody, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to talk about what are the things that's needed when you are about to apply your permanent residency of Canada. So let's start the video. So there are a few documents that people don't even realize that that's very important. So number one, when you're applying your PR and you are about to get your ITA invitation to apply, there are a few documents that should be in your hand before you are even applying. Why? Because it takes a lot of time to get those documents done. Okay, so we are going to talk about that and how you are doing that. I will tell you the process. Number one is PCC. What is a PCC? So for example, if you haven't watched my journey, you can check the last vlog and you'll able to get to know what are the things that need to be done. So number one is PCC need to be done prior of even applying your PR. So for example, if I know that my experience is about to complete in next 2-3 months, so I will be applying my PR and maybe I'm gonna get my ITA in 1 or 2 weeks or maybe months. So when you get your invitation to apply, they will ask you certain documents. The one of the document they will ask is PCC, that's Police Clarification Document. Why this is really important? What does that mean basically? PCC is basically you are cleared from Indian police, or because I'm from India, I'll talk about India. Indian police, that you're having no criminal records, you are having all okay things. So yeah, that declaration need to be done from the Indian side. So for that, you have to apply the application from Canada, BLS. I did from BLS. I can mention the one, people who are living in Vancouver, they can go to that particular address. I can mention the address in the description. So from going to the BLS, either you can parcel your document or you can go by walk-ins. You have to fill a particular form, go over there, give the application fees, provide the application fees, and then that application will be sent to Indian Embassy. From the Indian Embassy, they will be sending to the police station of India, wherever will be the nearest one from your house, and then they will inquire everything, they'll do all the documentation things, and then they will send back to Embassy and then back to BLS. So this is a whole process. It takes around 2 months for it to be completed. So I guess because some of my friends, they haven't even done the PCC, but they got the invitation to apply and they don't know what to do. Why? Because it's important. Because the moment you receive your particular invitation to apply, you have to submit all the documents in 60 days, means 2 months. And if you are doing your BLS if you're doing your PCC at that particular time, it will take more. You don't even know that you will get everything done in these 2 months, because the appointments of BLS is really tough to get. So you have to do walk-ins or appointments that will take a lot of time. So I will suggest you do this stuff prior even applying. So do that thing. Also get your all experience letters in hand. Whenever you are leaving any job, get your job. Make sure you have your job offer letter from that organization and your experience letter. How you have to tell them to make the experience letter is basically you have to write, for example, in my case, I wrote whosoever it may concern, Surbhi Sharma has worked on this organization from this date to that date at this particular wages, and this was her exact title. And also the job duties. Where you can find those job duties, go to the Canadian website, search the knock code, and in that particular knock code you will figure out that there will be the job responsibilities that needed to be added in your experience letter. That's important. So whenever you're making your like asking your employer to make an experience letter, just tell them that they have to provide the job responsibilities while they are providing you the experience letter. That's how things work. Okay, so this is what very important part of PR application. So you have to complete your PCC, you have to get your job offer letter. If you are resigning, get your employment experience letter. Okay, experience letter. But if you're not resigning, in that case, what you have to get is basically job offer letter. You have to submit that, and employment letter. What is employment letter? It states that okay, this employee at this position at this wages starting from this date is currently working till now in our organization, and these are the person's job responsibilities. That is the employment letter. It means you haven't stated any end date. It says that yes, the person is currently working, and that's how you're able to tell the government that okay, this person is working in this particular domain, in that particular organization or department at a particular phase. So this is what your employment letter looks like. So these are the certain documents that's really important. Also, if you have educational document, get your transcript done. Also, one of the major thing I forgot to tell, VES. So VES is really important for the people who have done their masters or bachelors back in the country. Some people do that, some people don't. In my case, I did it. So what is VES? VES is basically World Education System. What does that mean? Whenever you're applying your PR, there is a option where it says, have you done your VES? VES means your degree, like my MPharm degree is equivalent to MPharm in Canada. How does that work? I'll get a document from VES, how like it states that my MPharm degree is equivalent to the MPharm degree in Canada. So how to do that? Basically, you have to apply VES online application. You have to go to BLS. You have to get your things done, apply the fees, and some of the universities in India have a tie-up with these VES things, and they can send your degree to Canadian people, and they can evaluate it. And once your evaluation is done, they will send you the document saying your master's or bachelor's degree is equivalent to the bachelor's or master's done over here. So that is the point. So this is really important document. It also takes a month or two to come. So get your VES done if you are willing to do that. VES, PCC, get your experience letter, get your employment letter, get your job offer letter. Also, if you have worked in India, it doesn't matter if you are not even mentioning the job details or job responsibilities. The only thing that's important is the dates, your name, your position you are working at, which department you are working at, your salary. That's it. These are the things. And also they should mention that you worked full-time. Then only you can claim those points over here. So these are the things that's really important. So if you like this video, do share it with your loved ones, people who are trying to apply to permanent residency. I will say you all the best, and thanks for watching till now. In the next vlog, we are going to talk about if you get your ITA, invitation to apply, what are the documents that need to be completed, that need to be uploaded, and what are the things need to be very much precautious about. Okay, so let's start the video. So let's end this vlog right now, and I'll see you in the next vlog. So till then, take care. Bye bye.